Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the euro yen monthly, I definitely think this is the end of a wave 3, and if it is the end of a wave 3, we are likely now in a very corrective overlapping pattern for a wave 4. Then, eventually, we'll probably make another attempt on the uptrend for a wave 5. But just keep in mind that this is the monthly time frame and it could potentially take 6, 8 months or more for this to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, we got one nice big impulsive move down. I definitely think this is a wave A of wave 4, and I still don't really see evidence that the wave A of 4 is over. I still think it is possible that it does continue down more to complete this wave A. So taking it down to the daily time frame, kind of looks like it is trying to make an ABC correction across the board on all the yen pairs. But some of the yen pairs actually make you think that this is actually an A here and that this is a B and that it might actually pop back up again for a C before it actually goes down. So definitely keep that in mind. Let's take it down to the 4 hours so I can show you what I mean. So on the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a possible ABC right here. But like I was saying, this actually could be an A, and this could actually be a running flat wave B, and this possibly could now be going up, taking out these highs to make a wave C before it really does go down. We are in August, kind of a slow overlapping corrective month, so it does kind of make a lot of sense for me to think that this would go up and possibly stop everybody out that would try to go short right here before it actually did end up continuing the downtrend. Now, we don't really know this to be true, and I kept this as an ABC correction because I am looking to see if this makes a lower high. If it does make a lower high and a golfing move to the downside, then I definitely would stay short. I would definitely continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I just explained the two scenarios on the 4 hour time frame. So this did make a lower high. So if it does go down and breaks structure, then I think that would give us more confidence in this going down like so. On the other hand, if this makes a higher low and starts making engulfing up, then you probably need to keep in mind that alternative scenario that I just showed you on the 4 hour time frame, which this is a wave B and this could be a wave C, because that definitely seems like a pretty likely scenario. Either way, it's really good to have a couple possible scenarios in your back pocket so that way you're not surprised. And if you follow structure, follow price, then you should be trading in the right direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.